This is the dry piece of a previous videos, and I think it is wonderful. It was painted with gold colors, and it turned out so pretty, so pretty. If you have not watched this video, go watch it. It has so much interest. So pretty. Okay, so go find it and watch it. Thank you. Okay, so these are the colors that we're using today. We're using Hansa Yellow, Medium, Pyrrole Red, and Cobalt Blue Hue, and Titanium White from the Americana. We are also gonna use our mix that has 2 parts of Liquitex, 2 parts of GAC 800, and 1 part of Easy Flow. Please find that recipe at the beginning of the video. Then we're gonna put 1 part of that recipe and 1 part of the Sargent Acrylic Gloss. Please find all the names for the products and the description for the video under the video. If you want to see the links, just click where it says show more. Now that I have the consistency that I want, I am going to add the treadmill. And let's see, I'm going to add 1 drop per ounce. I have about 2 ounces on each cup. And blend. And nothing on the white. 7 ounces cup. So let's do the flick cup. And let's put the white around. So let's do the tilt and sip. And let's torch. We're gonna be losing this soon because it's trying to escape. Okay, let's lose some of that. Whoa. And if you don't pay attention, you lose more than what you want. And let's look a tiny bit in here. gas. Okay, so we are going to fill that section that was missing paint, and then we can move it that way. Okay. Need to fix that corner. Okay, so moving, and very large cells I have today here. You see that? What's that bubble in there? And I'm gonna show you like this area better than this, but I think we can lose it if we want to. What do you think? Maybe we can lose it a little tiny bit, or just leave it like that. Decision. We're gonna make that bigger if we do that. We'll see. I'm gonna try to see what happens if I try to lose that section. I think I like it more this way. It is your piece. You do whatever you please. I like it this way better than the way it was before. I made my cells even larger. The ones at the top now are even larger. Okay. You know, it's your piece. You do whatever you like. But I like it better this way. Okay, thank you for joining me. Please come back for more. Have a wonderful day. So here is the dry piece, and I really like the shape of the cells. And since I tilted, I got very, very large cells. So some of them are very, very large cells. You see how large is that one there, and this one, and that one. See, very, very large cells. Think it turned out very pretty. I hope you like it, and you can watch the other videos and return to watch more. Thank you for joining me.